be here to see him and witness him in this new life, this new journey. I've known him for 34 years.
Siyempre.
And he always knows what he wants, and he knows what he wants he will get. And the relationship, it was so easy. It's like she's been with us for years now. And the first question I asked my mom when she told me my brother has a new girlfriend and it's Kat, I asked her, is she okay? Is he happy? And my mom said yes. And that's it. And then when she went to our reunion, family reunion, everyone loved her. Everyone was talking to her. She is talking to them. It's like they have known each other for years. And I think that's one of the best example of their love. It was so easy. It was right. So thank you so much for Kat. Thank you so much for loving my brother, for keeping him grounded. Thank you, Tita, for raising a wonderful human being. Thank you for taking care of my brother. And Mom and Dad, I hope that you're proud of us. You're proud of Paolo. And Paolo, I love you. Ate will always be here. 4 more kids. I'll take the other one. And I love you both.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Kaya ma.
Alright, thank you so much. Next.
Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a great time today. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Madeline. People call me Mads. I am Kat's older sister. And also for those of you who don't know, Kat and I are only 1 year apart. Only 1 year. And growing up, we weren't the sweet, loving kind of sweet sisters. We were more like cats and dogs. But as we grow older, of course, we became closer to each other. Most of the days were actually okay, and there are those days, when I'll just see her casually wearing my clothes without my permission. So, sisters can relate to that. But, more than anything, Kat, one thing is never going to change. Growing up, we were my best friend. We shared almost everything together. And I just want to let you know that I'll always be proud of you. I'm so happy to see you stepping into this new chapter in your life. And also for Pao. Pao, today you married my best friend. And I cannot thank you enough for loving Kat the way she deserves. And also for Pao's family for welcoming Kat and our family to your family. Thank you so much. I'm just so excited to see you guys grow your family together, to be the coolest tita to your future kids. So again, congratulations to the both of you, and here's to a lifetime of happiness to the both of you guys. Let's all raise our glasses if you have one with you guys, and let's all cheers to the newlyweds.
Cheers daw. Kuya, mag-cheers ka nga.